Moving on to West Bengal, BJP chief in West Bengal, Dilip Ghosh, claims to have come under an attack by TMC workers in Coach Bihar. What the leader says is that workers from a TMC rally attacked his convoy in Coach Bihar. Bengal BJP chief has said that his convoy was allegedly attacked while he was there in Coach Bihar for a rally. He claims that people returning from Mamta's rally attacked him and the party cadre along with policemen. In fact, the BJP leader said he was injured and many vehicles were vandalized. Attacking Mamta Banerjee, he said that the way Bengal CM is instigating people, her rallies should be banned at the earliest so that there can be free and fair polls in West Bengal.
ममता बनर्जी कई दिनों से जिस प्रकार से उत्तेजना निर्माण कर रही हैं, लोगों को उकसा रही है, एक विशेष समुदाय के लोगों को उकसा रही है, तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर चुनाव कमीशन इस विषय पर पूरा ध्यान ना दे और सुरक्षा का प्रबंध पूरा ना करे तो चुनाव यहाँ फ्री फेयर होना मुश्किल है। लोगों को घर से निकलने नहीं दिया जाएगा चुनाव के लिए, तो चुनाव कैसे होगा? सेंट्रल फोर्स तैनात करके मार्च पास्ट करके लोगों का हिम्मत बढ़ाया जाए और ममता बनर्जी जिस प्रकार से उत्तेजना निर्माण कर रही हैं उनको ब्लॉक किया जाए, उनकी सभा कैंसिल किया जाए, नहीं तो बंगाल में खून की नदी बह जाएगी।
Well, like you just heard, BJP's West Bengal President Dilip Ghosh alleges that he suffered injuries after Trinamool Congress activists attacked his car with bombs and bricks in Coach Bihar district of North Bengal. This is the district that is going to polls in the next phase. Ruling Trinamool has denied these charges. The Saffron Party workers, in fact, even as we speak, are currently sitting in a dharna outside the Chief Electoral Officer's office in Kolkata, demanding action against the culprits. Ghosh said that the car's window glasses, including the one on his side, was smashed in this attack, which took place at Sitalkuchi after a public meeting of his party. After breaking the glass, a brick hit me, is what the leader has to say, talking about this incident. Let me go across to Tanima Bishwas, joining us on the phone line. Tanima, tell us more about this incident that took place where Dilip Ghosh is now alleging that there was a deliberate attack on his convoy by TMC workers in Sitalkuchi.
Right. This incident happened in Coach Bihar, and that is one of the areas where BJP has, in fact, recently done well in 2019. So the BJP, of course, the Bengal chief over there has squarely blamed Trinamool for the incident, despite the fact that a probe on this matter is still pending. But nonetheless, as we know that the contest between Trinamool and BJP is extremely charged in this region, as BJP has senses that they might be able to do well over there, but considering the fact that it was an earlier TMC bastion, so there is, a clash like this is not entirely unexpected. Nonetheless, as we know that the BJP and the Trinamool are still fighting for so many other seats which are going into polls in the next subsequent phases. There are at least 5 phases which are still pending in Bengal. And despite the fact that the first 3 phases had probably one of the most important seats, which is Nondigram, and the war of words at that point of time, of course, had in fact reached a certain peak. But nonetheless, even now we can see that political violence, quote unquote, as it takes place in Bengal, both parties are trading charges at each other. And in this case, it is BJP's Bengal chief who is leveling allegations against Trinamool as his convoy is attacked in Coach Bihar.
Yes, and therefore he's also demanding that all rallies of Mamta Banerjee must be banned by the Election Commission. There's a protest going on as well. Thanks for joining us, but do stay on with us, Tanima. There's more information coming in from West Bengal. BJP workers, like I said, protested outside EC office after alleged attack on Dilip Ghosh. BJP MP from Bengal's Bishnupur, Soumitra Khan, met the Election Commission and put in a demand seeking the arrest of the accused. Let's first listen in to Soumitra Khan and we go across to Tanima once again.
हम लोग यही मांग है, तृणमूल कांग्रेस का द्वारा 146 हम लोग बीजेपी कर्मकर्ता मर्डर हुआ है, उसके साथ साथ हमारा लीडर दिलीप घोष जी का ऊपर जैसे मर्डर करने का कोशिश किया। आज दिलीप घोष का ऊपर जितने सारे आक्रमण हुआ, जितने सारे रोहिंग्या जितने सारे तृणमूल कांग्रेस का मर्डर करने के लिए दिलीप घोष का आक्रमण उसका अरेस्ट होना चाहिए। और हम लोग चाहते हैं ममता बनर्जी के ऊपर जितने सारे भाषण बोलते हैं उसका आरोप होना चाहिए, उसका बंद होना चाहिए।
Tanima, there's tremendous amount of hostility between both the sides. We just heard Soumitra Khan, who's going to the extent of saying that there was an attempt to murder Dilip Ghosh. Tell us what exactly has the BJP submitted to the Election Commission in its complaint?
That's right. In fact, the heated war of words, as we have in fact seen, has been continuing between BJP and TMC, and we've seen both the BJP and TMC constantly going into at the doorsteps of the Election Commission's office in order to take, taking fresh allegations against each other. And in this case, as we know, that the focus is now going to be on several seats which are going into polls in South 24 Parganas, that's still left, and even in certain areas of North Bengal where the BJP senses that they can do well. So as I said, that it is not unexpected that the war of words will actually intensify at this period of time. And once again, the Election Commission becomes a bit of a battleground for both parties to actually trade allegations against each other.
Yes, absolutely. Thanks for joining us, Tanima, with the latest information.